how I glue down my brows to achieve looks like this. It's actually really easy, and today I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to take a little spoolie brush the hairs upwards, take a stationary glue stick, I use a purple one. I'm going to apply the glue stick upwards, back and forth, and do these little circular motions. And make sure that all the hairs are coated. Brush the gluey hairs upwards. And don't worry, this isn't going to pull out any eyebrow hairs. Go over it a couple of times just to make sure that the hairs are fully coated and laying flat. Take some translucent powder or banana powder. I'm using banana powder here. Use a little sponge, and what I'm going to do is just lightly cover the brows like so. And then I'm going to go in and put a little bit of pressure. Go over it again with the banana powder. I just leave it to sit there for a little bit before I wipe off the excess powder.
That's how I do my brows, and I hope you found this useful.